me catch you say out me new year e twa money this week there na e kire say ye beka akonfoshe ahukum the different out of wo Prof say suicide and said about self harm say akra etete no ho or this kind of blade or the twa no ho na ebisa ho say ye mai kura ye yom dey ebi mu say na me de mentiasio ebi say mafra yi amount omuntua enti adenti na de bia no o ma ye mo hie sa na no nyame mbo am yampa enu ana radio station me TV station ya from bisa me say na adenti na we e koso ontia say de entia obi be sori akora won't you any fees won't you rent won't you utilities aduane ya to manidi atade ya to addition now so oh ha say minya mejimenkwa Prof fie mwatene tuo minya baby family to ko mi manja emre ogana ha na nkatete no se woje wo nkwa achi utumu no eye April 2023 ena aban efri ho se mema ye hwese suban no se bone so obi agene nkwa berebi na nkoyi e ona tenka na dwem ti ye hwe de betumi ya de aboa sankrofo that was 2023 many mapam from the mental health authority and in painful actual bi say Professor Kasio say e ka ho etu ana mo fa ho na ye isa embra no afri ho na oyi embra no free ho no nche say suban eto atwa say wo de niema na hye egu akwan mu na etumi ehunu won a sa ade yi wotayo te say ye mrante te say ye maya no e schools ahodo etu anamo ehunu say what can we do to help and to reduce it was worldwide and my friend 15 years ekosi won panyin fie spare 29 years no wo mo pan wo je won kwa pa sa ahokum yi the leading cause of death just say eji omoji won kwa pa every one kasa won sem no say sense ban you know say yanka ho asem a the silence is what multiplies it yanka ho asem na the ntia na me yesa talks yi at this time no the ma ba mienu bi na na demanim idi kan say yehunu wagana ha say examinations results eba to say the matter wiem say JHS results MSS na na echna ene beba enya ba pa na ye ma no efe o matin kese ma hia de na ma me bi nso gina ho ena wanya school na pese wo no ena de otwa ide wantwa na yie eti sa nne ma no epiepia mo enche bia na SS fonso de na eba eti between now and September no de eya na ye hu part ne pa eye the most volatile season also says prevention is not a specialist trade and yet nipa yatete mo nkwa say me amete he ya makwadiri mu nkwa na tumi boa ema mofra ana mpanyini be yesa ogine nkwa na ya boa no suicide prevention no a teacher form boa matron for boa pastors won ho mfaso prefect of school won ho mfaso nurses eboa a doctor for eboa awofo eboa friends and for eboa wo bia etumeboa yani I can say suicide prevention is everybody's business. Suicide prevention is everyone's business. You can be that person. Make it your business. Prevent young people from dying. The future for them is bright. Death should not push them away. So obi agent and conference and Samayana so back up and you one catch it. So obi and now agent and conference in Samoa and he much say a nipa or any of the ascendum 135 people are affected by a single suicide death. One death ripples through a classroom, it ripples through a hostel, it ripples through a football team, it ripples through a congregation, it ripples through an entire family. And you will back a cambusiana, a yobi najan and qua, a nipa or ha, and you are son, and our whole echo. Ghana haya hunu say mema no eji won kwa bebere esene ma no na de nti esa no mekere wo by 2017 and here am ranting Maya a school for now. Now secondary school no ehunu say oha enche modu nwotwe achipo mienu omonse amunya ya ombeku mo ho afi yehe mu bi onu yehunu say oha enche mo adonu mienu achipo enum 22.5%. Womo de na che say womo de plans make up plans na womo de niam agu akwemu a wo pe ebere ne eda ne bere obi ani na no kuno aya no kwa ehwe mu bi ehunu se sa school for na secondary school for no ohanche mu edomienu achipa mienu 22.2%. Womo nso etu na ma omo de efe de na nko okuno ho na sanyo obi a ankende onte atasifo asase so honma ono yes origin kwafin some na mo no otwa ne ho ofasikan a no de atwa ne ho no de atene me baabi no de atene nsa baabi no de atene ha mu baabi and no de fa self harm olipa wonya mentama wonya ahopura yesu tama kama pere azani na rasula lai na ada de ni ahopura. What is the intent and say they want to relieve or regulate an unbearable feeling. Brebi air koswa one pe atin can be air hano one pe enti wapese or tin ho say or the second channel ho or the bloody channel ho or the okapi channel ho na ote sa yawnwa na che say sa atin kam ye obi a na ɛwɔ no ho no na ɛkɔ. And self-harm no is a coping mechanism. It's a communication. It's a self-punishment. It's a feeling something rather than numbness. Say opese what tibribi if you say some mofrana no what to ho pra ho no was me to me nim se metiase and answer me. So I want to feel whether I'm alive. I want to feel it. I want to feel it. And when was what no we twa no ho we pra no ho na what de opra no yes okay now I feel like I'm alive. I feel like me we metiase. So the function is a coping mechanism. It's to feel that they are alive. It's to feel that they are communicating. What I saw some editor obi. Often repetitive. Sometimes daily. Sometimes frequently hidden. One person will be able to enjoy the attack. Oh, on the attack. And ya ben obano, Connie demu, on India grow, on in Casa, Shana Honam. Check her body. And I'm not once our hand were bleeding, we couldn't home. One hand were bleeding, we piano. And it rises with escalation and habituation. Yana ka. And that could be no cut in Tinibia. Moja na muno adoso. One hand no ability no kuno. It is a wishia ebia. Mama na bisa mo say be curious. Dentina otitina ho. Adentina oh yes sir. Why is he doing that? Or Sami Alambi, you need to listen to them. Self-harm is one of the strongest known predictors of later suicide. Saubano, so obajin in kwada chef in Samua. Eya ahuprana woyeno. The strongest predictor of a later suicide in life. So attention seeking. Attention seeking. W and yet attention seeking. A friend of connection seeking. A crown a seeking connection. What percent one name will be in Kobo, or percent will be Tieno, or percent mammy be Tieno, or percent Jebby Tieno, or percent Daf be Tieno, a connection seeking, a relationship seeking, a attention, Debbie, what percent will be a Tieno, no new obedient Komo, and Maubano, and it is a connection seeking. They give the connection. A connection seeking. They want to abandon come up because it's not attention seeking. It is connection seeking. Why do they do these things? Why? I'm not buying your man Naibi to begin with. Nefe me kobre kineba. Na meribia be kan area amount. Mami biya, papa biya, emme Sompa Rhapsody, and I'm Sompa 106.5 FM. So no pay be home. Arenti and I am mano omudu sabria yana ahumpra and yahukum a very common a day and a easy. My man mabayan idea a beboa. We offer Timmy pa, we mamia Timmy pa, we papa Timmy pa. Ya manwa awie GHS, awie SHS, no chama resource and na krabia wuntino. Na debia o shede mo no kwa na musa ya na o hyehye niema ntade atenti e atwe e sweater atwe na hwe ne nsa ho musa o tete ne nsa ho o twa ne nsa ho max e wo ne nsa ho akra no ahobra sunsuman we wure mu no na me ba ya nan bi a me pese weni ekoso didi kan no ye won adwene mu no makane hada ye wo de efre no the prefrontal cortex eno na akra no ede esusu niema and the control the impulse impulse na tinka se bia ade bi esi no person yebribi impulse no say o ma na dwene no enya botre esusu niema na nka se o ma me enwi ne hu se we no de enye sanete na mo o ma atinka di nanim and the akrabia or act on impulse no atinka ne di nanim na tinka no anu hye na esanse enkra no by this stage no from a beer 12 years 29 not their brains are still developing one no egusu na enyini na sa partner from the prefrontal cortex no enyini wie but enyini wie no the other partner interest na even the limbic system eno na anu control atenka pa no eno de fully online eno enyini awie enti eno de enyini pa na tenka enyini awie but ne rationality baby a eboa ma utmi ekari niema esusu niema esonson so ewoso so edoso no hu se da bi ma menya abotre no eno no enyini eguso nyini enti sa akra no fa ade bi mu a ade no eha na dwene ma me ni nya daje ma no papa ni nya daje ma no enam fofo no ka nsem a ehye ni pra no a asempa enato one hepa no akwaje ne nkwa e de afinisam are you listening to this enti ma me no tiase pa it's still a developing child, it's still a developing brain adweno enyini wi afei de to so mi no eye akora no belonging sabre no no na akora no eya no okeka eben wonu wonam fo no they want to belong eya na yeka say at this age no belonging is a survival need just say wo hia pa say wono so ne namfo te bo hu say enwemu kire say ye ma no tie wonamfo no esen ye agya no ene ye nanom eya na awofo no ye ma no tie wonamfo no eni na say wo ya awofo no pese wono ba edi nkomo na wo mpene namfo asem a asemeto wonyo bia manen ka hwe nkyira wo ebi say wo mpene namfo asem akwa no tie ne namfo esene wo maame no o tie ne namfo esene wagya no enti no ebi ya na peer acceptance na yonkofo no secondary school na ye bully no na wonka ho na osoba na osebema na ho ye fe na aden na efe ne se na omma no all kinds of names edimi na ahotadi bia na ninja ho na ye di ama no na akra no hana dwene they are struggling for acceptance say akra no erusa time na omohunu acceptance no as a physical requirement of who they are a serious power and the public humiliation expulsion say be a group be near in every room a permanent free group no won kan ho ye mpel bi use adam for and the baby nafa na akwana ye ni ya ye ni ya na epia na frimu na onso maame no wonte ase na de wonamfo no who are they me ne maame you should understand it. At that time say group acceptance is a survival need. Enye fie a group acceptance entina say wo fie na wona wo mado so kakra na wo ma no so ma we parent no wa checheche mu wo den san kra confusion e wura wo ma no mu a wo ma no o mebere pa anka bi a wo ma be 4 and 5 and 6 and 3 no anka wo be ma a very strong bonding abeto won them na omonne ho anya san kita hodie no nti wo anya na bonten kra wo benya ne fie won so ma me ni papa yi a da bia wona wo meko te wona wo ma no entam nye enkra no won so won ho enso won tam nye enti akwa no pia bontene a ohun ne namfo se wo mo ene won a one mu enya nkomo edi enti public shaming ha wentina eya na etu asofo no before say a young person an adolescent from a bia 13 years to about 19 years or and 22 years no so we ye boni bia eya mama yemfa I am shebi enka ho na ye careful say yempa ni begina public te say so nanim ne yenka ye wan ni ngu nanim ase young people can't manage that at all because timase say na stage, public acceptance is like a survival strategy. What per se ninuanom ne namfo nam aginitum ono so ne na begina enipa nim a ya kasa atia no ya gu nanim ase ya bonasen ne ya bonasen a ya kan ya obi anhwe ne yi wono ho ba soro ya won tena kire ho ya na wo kasa sa na ebi no say mo na mo say asoro no enye sa da yes ada me catch them say nipa ena nkwaje kone oboto ho a anka ye be ko heaven to kura inu nipa timu ode papa ba nkwaje nyame encha ne friba nyame ne fri ne chemba eno ono na me nkwaje enti no enu ba bi a ma wo yam hyehyew emanipa de akora no osua no ade no ye no ankwaye but or a developing child, then can say, make no mistake. A child's present circumstance cannot be a final determinant of their future. Can be. A child's present circumstance can never be a final determinant of their future. Or a developing child, or a cra wonyini, and the young wife ye, ewo man. Na wan ka say na on de no ha adwene na on de na suban no na on de da bi babone wo ne ntete no ye de nyansa na to ho ye de abotre na to ho ye de persistence na to ho wo yire wo yem na wa yire wo nsem unja de wo ye no obi wan se nyama ye wadom na ruade adan no enti yenti ase say among these young people no belonging is a survival need. Say belonging to a group or na fefo be boso na amadi agro na maka amakasa na madi nkomo no ehia na pa and say who ku nanim ase in before a group we pra na pa and binom e de sa ahumprei e de twetwetwa ho na wo pra wo ho nya no nko a ento aso na ehwe other part bi a e important pa mpese weni ekon you much say at some stage now identity is the whole self. Just as you see who no fa say many asomesi many kwame safo many kwame edu many Joseph Osafo many Presla Osebonso many Jean many way say you see who no akra no hu say bibi ama no enti say bia okotron so hebi and wo fail ya ohun say the entire body just an hunu nyina na feel. Are you getting the point? The self is the whole self. Identity say hunu is a whole self. The identity say hunu ohun say ni bibia sanity. Enti on separate event from identity. They say bia omo sports ena onya penalty ena obose no wo hunu say na brabo nyina say. Don't forget what I'm saying, that identity for the child at this age is a whole self. And the exam failure, rejection, or exposure. Say be a rejecting, be on you be yeah, may be, and I'm a fall in love, and I'm any asmes neko, and I'm anyway, and be an obi, say open, man niaji, oh, means we pay me, means we say me and a lover. So as a rejection, any kind of examination failure. Can feel like an annihilation. Obenya think me say, hey, you got it. My idea on so him, yeah, yes, so now you are say I fed ye be the NCB no na brabunina, so that any exposure to challenges in life, to challenges and events be a enko in akwanu hunu say a annihilation. On who say just a disappointment. Because identity is seen as a whole self. So examination so examination and it be a buy and one yard. And I also bogum and I want yard and I want chat and a power car and broker and much walker a chance or Koda walker or Lydia walker or Jaria walker. Oh, ha crano. Oh, Hano. Tell me about oh, how bano. Aha. Oh, Brano. Oh, say no. And a medical school. No, I can say Missika. No, I can say Membre. No, I can say Mandagia. And I had your wire. And I'm Missika. And I say, and I'm San Yamana Woyeno. San someone I will come repetitively. Achra Kuranwa. My catcher say is a developing brain. So, Osono. The child's identity at this stage is seen as the whole self. They don't compartmentalize. Say benevi ya seno ya kuno. I think that's one line. The crisis window is short. Tenieba. Eya na akram the we are not doing esi hu niema fa no. If I be say cognitive constriction. Eya boabe. Say akranam bribimu a eya na munya bi on a tunnel vision. Tunnel vision is just say the not no ebesi a generate alternatives. To say be examination am true mentwa okay. Metumi akoye extra. Adwuma me sua yi no ankoyi ehye hwe meye bribi na mabomode na mako na masan akosua ebi na eha no ho mitimi nko. We don't do that. Yeah. Now, akwano essence when you tunnel vision ti onye sare no. If we say why constricted nature say na dwen no ekwan foforo hodo so a adwen betumi ekanya ne ho na ohun se na brabon ense no sa kwan foforo no nyina crisis and many is who lives ni sa break kakrebi no a teni pa sa break kakrebi no a akora no obetumi a generate sa alternative say met me attribute no that is the part na or say shenede te wa kan say oh adwa ehwe what the sound I contribute na sa break to ano and no na hear the salvation time because constriction no na dwene no for some time no bit me last year minutes to hours na yen say mean to me me failing me ejimi for and no repetitively e basa and the window ka krebi obenya I say oh mama hwe no sabe na say wo mama no wo de ona papa no wo de nsampa wuram ajwa you can make it kwesi you can make it share me ba don't fail you where there one of those things come on get up me am can register somebody tiaba no you will save your child abusafo mama acknowledge my responses na me ntwa me hutia ana tau na membra we 21st clinic sciatica originator sciatica pacesetter sciatica commandant sciatica researcher was say men kanchre was say sa ya na efiri oton ase besi wona ho ya na eje o me bia was say hey metia adruso obi atom adru no obi antom adru o say yade na omo ga na hama bwa petime bia nkra ha omo tan try run about tema omo behind Catholic Church na Sompa Rhapsody sunya no omo opposite regional hostel first gate techima omo OGN bank building no nkranza omo near children's park takwa locust same building na Sompa Rhapsody takra de if you come number 9 taxi station omo brekum omo goso omo boase where Juma is very simple. From where 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 sciatica or say will be too sa 21st century will be too sa sciatica yase amakura perfect baby diapers me ye jano brana me ye jana na ye o me mafoforo me ye jana ni ye o say die me ye ja na so me mba me ma wewi is in an anomana me just say medium with diagro to me man mo na mashada ko pe diapers papa na me dia komo mo se ne be ya wo bod diapers na betu ni me ba no me na abo me bo na me de diagro na bra na me man su ane ma me ne me ire na ye wo no ye brade okoto diaper bi na de ba akra yi a bo hu na de na mo na dwen so na mo no na akra yi to na I say pimples bi raspy ye go na akra yi su perfect baby diapers say etwa one is animal to kwanta tin tom etwa but say they are here for you. They are known for protecting your baby's delicate skin with soft leak-proof diapers trusted by parents across Ghana. Wow. Eti mamondia obese obanya sorry, a gentle care, perfect comfort. Na a one skin na kuya. A very simple cry. Or more supermarket beer, shopping mall beer, market beer, or more FDA approved. Mamondia from where? 05310 99889 05310 99889 and 030 395 7965 030 395 7965. Perfect baby diapers. Obano bede ye pa. Even just bread and pastry say. Mo amope dokon na mo pe shito na mo pe enchina maka ho na mo dey check ma how far obese what they call yase obese what they call event be wedding cause of juma na yeka ho party be boys girls beach party be baby just hot kinky a free cover by just bread and pastries omo dey abedwaso omo say clean eburu amodi ye na anunsu o de we no under hygienic conditions we ya obuhu say yes wa dokono and now saka back here 3 cedis and a wholesale price na ekwan o si store now we deliver no crowds when beje come up available for funerals and it be a obese we be call from where 02560 68832 02560 68832 or more just bakery I want to be behind the Ghana Commercial Bank just hot kinky say but more than a friend now kinky no when you bet you papa I'm so for me try me hotel me ba yet was
Just hot kinky. Just hot kinky. And your hot. Just bread and pastries is say. Just hot kinky dokono noa. Ye di yellow corn vitamin A womono. Na ye 3 Ghana service sepe. 3 Ghana service sepe. No mo to dokono wa mountain so. Eno no mo tu etono. Say die. Occasion bia. Se wo pe dokono serve wa wo ho a. Wo die frey. Na ye customize the amount. Se de wusi penny bia. Protein opese de ka ho. Ni aya ma wo kama. Yes, we take orders for every occasion and you can customize the price of your orders based on the kind of proteins you like at a very affordable price. And to say Obie nim say just hot kinky enwa enye de serve ya wo ho just bakery e wo dome commercial bank in Chenwa enti freyen and wo 025606882 na yen customize wo orders ne ma never serve wo se de wo se pen pepepe just hot kinky eh hot
Yaba, I Sompa delight. Yediabro, Monday to Friday, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. sharp. Oh, Nesha so Frobi, Nobi, so Frobi Nakachani say Abna Rufi. It was Sompa 106.5 FM. Or the Sompa delight, Abro. Thank you, baby.
106.5.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albesaki Kwambo.
Onyankopon di for wastrano eweye brim. And am nensaso ama onyankopon we ya won wade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us some First Service. Our home a TV program keke. A bra or so near Sasisia. A bro Nyankopon kasa chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
And Mason First Service in Chawo Home Hoda. A Yajuada Kusi if Yada Anopa. Anopa no Nunkusi Anopa Nunsia. Fawudani na share radens. Na erade beye.
Kwa Jesu why no Mr. Bremwa ayamio na adana kodani susa yam se kom na dinu eni se wasu a Mr. Mfa na mame akoda na dadu so musa no hwe ni court ni mukrafo wo de mame nyini diaper no diaper no kra de masisa me hu ne amenyempo aya diaper na hwe diaper fufura abadwa so eye perfect baby diaper make na asemi a chinsu ankasa emu ya moto na ade bo akoda na ensansa bia enwu no perfect baby diaper make ye ne Ghana ha ye na ebua Ghana nkwada nso ankasa onokwa na wokwa me ko perfect baby diaper si bia to sisia na akoda na
Fred 0531099889 and 0303957965 FDE aji edwade nkratoyi atum
Yaba Sompa.
My head can't be the my phone, I jammy. Timamu for my display in your grow. I'm on for my display in your grow. Anka everything I stand a chair. Anka sound for Swami. Anka Messiah, whatever. Anka sound for Swami. My self, the canny our family will be all busy gaining our woman. When my wanting in a summer bar, Yama once a for an miss and then what they are finding to you. My free me, my myself, fire, yeah. My self, this is so I'm sorry, bye. Bringing some and time photo and some mama to feel. Let me saw them one I miss up. I want the money opium. That's often I was trying someone. I meant to say, Dinudia. Anka and Rebecca, my son, and Rebecca, my son, and Anka, some for family, and the Muba. Anka, Miss Young, what I get.
for Sompa Rhapsody and Nam Sompa 106.5 FM Swore and our team. It's not the not just say Yansan Media or Bremu, Adania Dane, and decision making the Babua now a number 2 Akuyi. And I pay Meno Eka Ahumpura and Yahukum, ye Mambe Mane Mrantianwa, and our mana Abanwa. What do you want everyone seminal? Why are they doing this? And what can we do to prevent it? I tell you, Uncle Pombo, and answer our sense, your boy, your home.
If I yes, Sutama, come up, Azanina, Rasulana, what a master, Mamma, 90 minutes, and Prof for fear, wanting a tour. Me never be from it, so who call me my chat to say, put here,
now I didn't crown a my and bay a subay, then Emma. Mofrey Edgy Monkwa and Branton and Maba Mutie. A dear crown and Mamuji Monkwa every month, some a school for a GHS4, and then I say Yana, and then Rampuna Metese, a Caribbean Jinenkwa, and my Aframi Bisame Dintia, a Quenajinenkwa. What is wrong? Etimony share some of the risk factors from family and relationship. Edian and Emma Way ACA was a parent who do not understand the young person's problem and worries. Oh, 10 years, yawo mami phone alphobia. One te ne banase. One tenase. Just a usha. Ayana Mamutimino. Let's say a parent be ha. Medium in Baker Mentimase. Na yatama odi woko school a me na metua school fees e kan say on high dine me na metua dan ka enti wo di ane say obesua ne e die na yawo. That lack of understanding, lack won te embrante ne maya ne ye mamba na aba no ne mema no yawo fo ye nti o mase. Lack of understanding ye nti o mase. Now, when our man and Ninkoma, we then so say the pressure in learning in school, the competition, so banana yadi. As we are serene, as we hene, a funny saying, a crano, a cassa, near son of crano, you could push your child. And yet, Adriani, our Toma crano, and yet, Garine, Milone, you can't say, a male can you come out of baby. Nyano. And it's one ya breno no ben nin komo na eya kwambes ni nyane mudin komo. Eya no attend ordinary rituals into times of engagement. Oh, when you akra no ebi na in the birthday bribia when you can meet ni din komo. They are ordinary rituals. Just a special day be why ya it can be ordinary no because in Msebia 30 April dia obana birthday into obey. And to turn it into something. If you that day, no, one of Bano, a beco baby. One of Banabeco baby. Hey, one me mano, Namadi Mab office. I want them around me. Bessa many modincomo. Bessa many mocassa. Bessa me tea and some be if you want some amanum. And tina many mocassa. Sometime a cock classa. Namesim bearme and co. Namedi moco. Or cotinum, one tias and may present me no opportunity be to engage the child. And to wait me, I answer. We don't understand them. That's one of the ways of trying to understand them. And the thing so, yeah, on comodiano, and yen sro. Now, Okasa, teteno, yabresono teteno, bajo, tetiate, teteno, echum, and clay breson a walk. enti ɛdeɛ na wobɛtumi afi tete ɛde aba ɔmbrɛ so yi na wɔn ate wase no adi nkɔmmɔ nkora no sɛ ɛyɛ ane yɛde tete wɔn nso tete wɔn ahu tete no bi ɔmbrɛ so yi na ɛsɛ wɔn ne akora no ɛkasa woyɛ no firi hɔ a parental absence awofo no bi ani fie labor migration abroad parent yɛn watu kwan early boarding bi wɔ hɔ a watu kwan ɔwɔ hɔ a na ɔde akora no abrɛ ne maame wɔ ha ne maame no so ne ho adagyeɛ ne papa ne ho adagyeɛ enti akora no nkɔ na ɛnyini wɔnni bonding biaa na ne parent ɛte baabi nti maame no na agya no anaa ɔnana no wɔnya bere ma akora no pa na kyerɛ sɛ wɔbɛnyini wɔ kwan bi so a ɛnyɛ ne nyini no ɛbɛdendane ɛbɛyɛ basaa bi absence ɔkɔ market na wasɔre ahomakye no wɔkɔ anaasɛ bɔkɔ adwuma na wasɔre ahomakye na wadwere akora no nkora bi nantam akora no bɛpɔn wɔpɔn hyɛ school wɔ saa bɛyɛ 8 pm ansa na ne maame ne papa ɛfa no akɔ fie ɔne kɔ fie a bɛyɛ bi a 10 na akora no da 11 12 1 2 3 amri so 4 akora no anya ne 8 hours of sleep and 7 hours na wɔsɛ anya no akora kora mbɔ deɛ ɔsɔ da bɛyɛ about 9 hours 10 hours na wɔanya no na wadware no bɔsɛ akora ko nya na ɔyɔne ɔhram saa wabrɛ parental absence saa nneɛma yi ɛku yɛ mma ɛsɛ yɛ mma ɛfɛ deɛ di hɔ ɛyɛ family conflict so yɛne yɛ mma no ntam ayɛ basa hey ntɔkwa saa akora bi wɔ hɔ a maame bi wɔ hɔ a ɔfo bi wɔ hɔ a ɔno ne ba ntam nyɛ ɔno ne bɛdi nkɔmmɔ na anoma ko ntɔkwa aka ho na wɔkɛse ne ba no wobɛbrɛ papa na wɔtwi ne to ɛwɔ fam na wɔkankye gu no so saa nneɛma no nyinaa yɛhunu sɛ ɛpia nkora no paa akora bi a da bia ne maame ne papa ɛkɔ wɔyɛ no firi hɔ a ebi a na abusua no mu no obi koraa gye ne nkwada nti abɛyɛ a pattern ɛnyɛ sɛ ayɛ curse o anaa ayɛ nnome o ayɛ pattern kyerɛ sɛ abɛyɛ susudua akora no hunu sɛ anka koraa ho kyerɛ no so wɔku no ho nti mekɔ hu a ɛnyɛ bɔne biara maayɛ nti atwa susudua bi ato hɔ a akora no ɛsɛ standard a akora no ɛde hyehyɛ no ho woyɛ no firi hɔ a wobɛhunu sɛ ɛyɛ na wofo bi ɛwɔ harsh parenting styles wɔde abaa no wɔhye na ɛboro akora no wɔboro no wɔka no kyimpire wɔbɔ ne mmaa na wɔabɔ no som na ɔde electric wire bi na ɔde ahwe no na wɔafa dua na ɔde ahwe no wɔbi de ne ba ɛnsa ɛto wɔnsi wakɔwi wawia ɛfɛ no sɛ nkwan mu nam na yɛn nkwan mu nam ɛnim wia rough hwɛ mɛde me nsa bɔ nsuo ɔhyɛ mu awurade yesu sɛ woanya ɔmba ho adagye a wobɛsɛ wo hene ne wo queen daakye meka kyerɛ wo woyɛ ɔfo atimi yie paa mɛde me nsa kɔhyɛ mu nkwan no a yɛanoa yɛdi na kaa me maame a ahiti no mekɔpɛ nam awe ɛsɛ te sɛ no ne yɛma nkɔra nam kakra bi ne yɛyi nka no nyinaa ma agya no mahu sɛ no adeɛ no game no nyɛ fɛ enti me ne me nsa bɔ nso ɔhyɛ mu na mede me nsa akɔhyɛ mu sɛ na me maame kata ade no so a amu anwa yie no kakarika miɛnsa akɔtɔ ani chayayayaya mede me nsa bɔ me sɛ ɛyɛ manya nam miɛnsa me sane gu manum ɛnyɛw kakarika mawe kakarika da ɛnɛ me na mete hei so me maame fa me nsɛn ɛna ɔde to dua so na otwitwa ya anka mete ya ye enti ya minyam kora ho abotre maka bi maame nka bi me say a developing child's present circumstances are not determinant factor or factors for the child's future. A present situation and to mean just that you say or a developing child nyabotre lenya no ho adagye and to be a maybe phone lines and you can remember lines 0260 1960 0260 1960 0260 1960 0260-1960-65. And now be fra what they ebefa. I think I don't know why you are. Am I a may what pro no one you can through on someone? Physical and emotional abuse, sexual abuse. In fact, one of the data now, analyze it. And now, you hear person, you who say, 20% of our children, universities, universities, man of investment, and Crawford. Asha moketin your mother. No my wakayakano, or hanchim will do no. I fear chairman or mutu and mose what you want. Think about that. Physical, emotional, and sexual abuse. 20%. Serious. Food insecurity. Secondary schools no eduane and cranny eduane ni. Sadi yakamwa sama and cranny of your cockra protein. Onyan na mokra we lines number 0260 1960 64 0260 1960 64. Second one here 0260 1960 65 0260 1960 65. Fred yenu ninkomo na yemwa ofie yemwa na tawo manase yemwa na preventable bano na wanjinemka obi aba line one so. Hello.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Morning, Bacho. Dumu ready no cry. Dumu ready no.
Bacho na pombo kode.
Boko. Dumu ready why? Ready no dumu no cry.
Me bacho me man cry.
But I never feedback wa.
Bacho area.
Afika sa.
Hello.
Afika sa metonka. Kasa metonka.
Bacho teneka.
Metonka kasa.
Program no dey to ira dey onshira we.
Onshira onso.
Na meka na say awofo no ya na na toka. To me dey nyamle mankola no. Ka wasi et me fankola no say ya danfo. Okay. Ya de bia me kan so be say akola no so na oba. Ma akola no nka so utimi yedin. Ndi tie bia se so di mano, o di fama no. Na oba dun pempen so bia afi fa na se wa danfo. Abla wodi ni 20, I am going to say 18, 19, no aircon, make way aircon. On the so down for. After only naming como, Namema Colana, as you are saying. To bones a Bibinia, a Colana then, or the catcher. The engineer young Rania to think Colana bones or carbon tea and you go on and not putting into practice. Right. But she had tried say a better for more near the Bible price of one of on pass no when free. Right. You could an aban or tan a banner. Nti akola no ati dimension bata no e ya no bi suru so e oba dia ba bo mi ba no ade no so bo no be wu e bi no ti akola no na we say like I said ye nye o ma ko ton right nti ba pa ra din sha no ko si nyen kan wa sam na yo ni se na di kura ye ma no na da because ye nda achi no wo mo ya hwe na se na o mo gi nse mu a asem atu ye me da se baba na me sha.
Hello. Hello.
Papa, good morning.
Good morning. Naja, if I say on for everything.
Papa, I'm a friend in Sarkodie.
Sarkodie. Now for everything.
Let us say free Kema Committee 11.
Okay. Yo, Kasai.
Papa.
Yay.
Me back second born.
Oba second born.
Upon school. That's obidu fear. Okay. No be do fear. Onye yi na ta di egu ho pe. Papa. E pie.
Wow.
Kete wu be bia. Obekọ. Wu be bia. Obefa. Obeba no anaju 7. Anaju 8. Akola 10 years.
Hey.
Papa.
Na one na din command here.
Papa, me ni na din command je. Say agro.
Now be 10 years there as I say a woman is structure being 10.
But okay.
10 years there. Also why there I didn't fit do.
10 years.
10 years.
Aye.
I be 10 years there also auntie as I say woman is structure. My discipline no. man structure me man impesa 10 years no wo bi betumi awia no wo bi betumi adini bone emfi du de ma wani nkwa no ho pa
papa ma ucheze ni eya me mon me pesa me bon kwala me pesa me bon kwala etore bi on mo bi si ni yema ubeka chense on si ni yema enyema no ubeka ka ansa no bi si obesi ewie no osivia onko hata no a problem wa hata ni wa foso na mana hata ni ma no so no obeyi obekwaku yi ni ma na anaju be 9 obeka kama tede me mpa kwala abo ba ma bona so still
enti mama nchira fa number yi na afre me pese me boa wo ebro no de wo de kan ba wa say ad no kra enti tie we de tie number yi na fa na frɛ na yɛmboa 0531
but yes 0531
886
886
216 frɛ ni yɛmboa why
mpacho me frɛ time ben
oh frɛ yɛwie program na pa no afrɛ
mpacho na ti that
hello.
Yeah, hello.
Mpacho dumu radio no.
Oh, maintenance your cry.
Ba yeti wa ha.
Okay. Good morning.
Morning. You from saying?
That's me prefer Apollonia.
You from saying? We didn't yet.
You from Vivian.
Okay. Vivian Kasai.
Maybe I try. Maybe I try that if I near the power. Okay. Now, your man on my way to Papa. Nutrition I used to. Me baba or school or university baba. Okay. Me see uncle school na. Me who say on person be school, but or you be very brilliant. But or first, second year, but third year na say na uncle school.
Okay.
Say na wa ko page man na we to office here. Now I just catch uncle school. The court school, no, she won't try something. Don't me share me to you another day. See, now, that would be sure that Mammy could check in and who had the crowd. The court school, I may see, or you for me office for I say on you. Now, this year, Grano,
okay,
one basco. And so, what did he say? Me go for you, because I say, an idea school, message in fashion.
Obana, where did I? What
did 20 years?
Okay.
Me go free, I can see me family sample ocean. Edwin, so no one quiet man ocean. And to coronation, I yes through papa, in fact, this is a coupon boy.
And as I say, money, one in the gym commons well. As I say, Obano, Ufia say, or you are done for. Mamodia say, Obano,
my papa, my years, dear, 7 minutes, they are done for one. Onka. Who I didn't cry. Then I'll be confused, you cry.
What the air goes to Mecca, match baby cry, acquire a fast so far a crowd for. What the tea? Why? Among for Munguswa and Fra 0260196064 0260196065. Now, my main chair acquire a fast so far a crowd Adam for. Ma, I'll be as my ya kano on pema damfo dedi kan se wo pese ofa akora damfo a ya temu efre nsem a obeka che wo no enkwa akora nche a okobu natan ye awfo bi wo hono ma nsem a obeka na nyina ya temu nkwa na wonnim na wo kan wonnim na wo ye sa pa akora bi a ho obehye onka onum se wo beyi obepe na obebu natan enti ono no obesona niema no so obesona so. Number 2 eya sifam bra akra fem bra fem, you have to enter a world. Emma, don't invite a child to your world. Ono no wo wiase ne wa de no ntiase na mum ma akrano wo kwa akrano ni wiase because ne well da ne well view say na si hu ne mafa for example ma me bi ne ba e kasa e na ne ba ne ka che ne say mami me de kodwo me dono pa de ye na me ya pa no waka say he ni Jimmy ene kwasia ene nim tantan we Jimmy e woni nyasa wa batam kwasio ne hwan wo ne hwan we yes apa akrano wa shut down wono nka he bio every say one who say o atenka na ono akwana fam no wo nti ase wo nim nti wo kasa kasa tia na basa basa nti won kan kire da dia toso me yansa say woni akora edin koma eya man ni bi yen ho don't act as if you are surprised is akora no e bi ya wadwi mu no akora no e virgin woni be ma bi endada be ma nso nufu mu da ana oni obabi nkwhye ho ana oni obabi endada na akwana kasa acho say mami me ka pa se ta school no na ya call washroom and again no hammer jana me mian nufu ai kwasi wakomi obi nufu ewo efe ne say adwae mim so ya kra bonus we ye tutu ni don't act as surprise yani oni akra kasa na uma niema ye won bebere pa ntama wa hunu se wono de ese wo nya no won kan kire obi oda e bi se o ka kire wa e kwan a ofa so kra e kan wasam afei number se 4 se 5 se akra kan se mi no ka se mami don't tell Nadia modi han se ampa won kan kire Nadia asa o pese wote ase akwa no pese wo wote na se asa won so wan na eye wan no yi aya no o pese wo ka kire okunu nya abotre eya na emofra no omonim ye pa se awfo wonim se Nadi so wote asem yi a asema ba ende me ire ata ya de pa enkra no bi o ha wonim se asem no se mete a enti o meka che me ire se me ma nka nche mi ansa na ono wakipi anti o se me good mood and waka kire me ana ebia maka se mi a kire akwa no ba akwa na ya ya na onu se obeka kire me asa na be se ka kire no me dia bofo be hia na watwen na waka kire me ire waka kire me ma na mami aya na waka de so asme se da na me say okay so enti twen so na won dia akwa ne kana honey bra me na so ne esa komia tiesi so enti tieni ye pa parenting is not an event, it's an art. A quiet faso eye owofo na owofo my man eye art ese usua owo akra eno nche se betni awofo papa debi ese usua enti bere ho ase na sua na ye nkyere na ye yan sa na ye nkra no na what do you mean and who are you and I mean I'm wo na me na wo we are stewards of the children nkra no ye na nyame say ye ndandi ma ye hwe we are serving nkra no they don't say we serve them. Akran wansre say won ba wiase wansre won na hukunu na woyere ana maka watibo say ye be se ye wo wansre tintan ho adaje na denda ne kakra wo mansre wona wo say wo be say ene ye be se ye wo mi no ye be se wo mensa na wonu say obi na ade na ba no so enti you serve your child Mamodia monfre 0260 1960 64 0260 1960 65 we know a special time na be ma no say mo am say be say me ba ji agoro edi nkomo no obi e ba line one so hello
good morning radio onshira
if you say
me kwacho again at somewhere me free to go no
okay yanka say
ba kun sha ko shi hono so o kan se kan tin moti chapa krema ma yin mun se mene edua mo fla ba ye o fo asem aswodin and this time round no san obi ka se ba ye bia o kana ba no enya ba it shouldn't be more of king and as a punishment but for empire e ka ho
okay
na kiti akola no ewo susuru mu na fampa boka no ewo mu ano atuna ban no o me ba die na ye ha o na me ni nya so ye tamana mamun kan yan kola mu sem kakra na mfa ye ne papa no tino ni nya kitwa ba ko there was a time wa afi ye ko to su box bi kama ye change sikano for phone na me share me ye savings me this can go su box bi one day me be fi na ni na ko bu we no wa se sikani na awon mama no bu info no e to me bo na me ye ya o si enyo no na me fle no na me san se mwanya ozuma e chiri me bom pa ya de chiri the next time na me fle na me bisa na ka chere me se o wa na ba party tin dai ama chere se ga she hanti onku wow inki aya sana na me si okay ana me clear the bisa na scan wo na si scan wa ko spend na kakra na akano on the buy. So I started praying for him. I bought a common Bible and a bomb by a man after your papa on maybe. So and I'm a genius. So it's a man who food and I'm a good war for. And I said about the Yen Subaya or nothing.
Great point. Great point. Why are they?
Na ya mwa nkola no na ye hu se second Timothy 3 asam na okan no so wo ombe ya wo fo asam aso de nye wo mo sometimes if be expelled akola na nye ne pesa obe ya sa
ya that's papa
unim te tomle bia
hello bacho
na ti le down
enkan bacho wani o
okay,
ejakasa.
You, that time I said, very fun quality. As in quality, I had to clean now. The one fine and more coin fan can one.
I said the last call on the kind, one fan pipe when you make coin. Oh, cause. Hello.
Pastor, good morning.
Good morning.
And I want to say, I just want to say, I'm part of a people
amen, yo, Casa.
I don't want to came here, and I said, you move for the brain.
Oh,
now, much better, my young. And I'm quite a normal idea. I mean, to say, said in the next one, it's almost. Then, I mean, who near my funnel, and said, Anna, almost so.
Oh. Hey, I know alliance no high. Alliance no high. Monsanfre.
Okay.
Hello. Mama, Forson.
Yes, I'm Antioquia.
Antioquia, oh, free.
And expression in Guana.
Yo, Antioquia.
Some it's any more canon. This me one back, then man.
Okay.
Okay. On Trasso and now for some Macassin Piara. It's I won't want to see here. Or banner me to me was in the number of on for one chairman with that then says, offer one the mayor was saying back. Make me or be number one and the wolf. When I send my young or didn't know the Kiami. Since school, I don't see you on to assassination. I can't if you must finish. I can't. The Yinam Church and
hello.
Yeah, hello, Eja.
Yes, sir.
Matthew.
Major so, Eja.
Upon me,
Adam, and Bacho, and when I'm in
program, Mudiaba. Platform so a program in your past parent to be added to you. Listen me how they say. No, Alabama, what it 13 years.
Okay.
Oh, SS2.
Okay.
Now, or could it be an apart car the funnel? The man of 58 city.
Okay.
Or the coast school. Na maybe koso ewo mi demu Mintiasia. I saw the Sika Ekutami. Mekaya Namidato. Maybe I'm the kind Sikana now. 30 city, 20 city nurses so.
Hey!
30 city, 20 city nurses so.
Hey!
Anna, me is Sikani in she honomo. Anna, maybe 70 Ghana, editor, trap. Anna, 30 trap. Hey! I feel you don't say Sikai, Yafa, 50 city. Anna, I got 20 now to. Which Anna will say, a colana de Eta. And the credit you need to change. And I'm catching the say, Unya, you know, I need to them. The tell it is clear to her well. But you are first, yeah. And I'm this one kind of Corinthian and I'm not country any money. Now, we need to ask them, we are Madame for. We need to meet your grow fine. Or how crowd need the bomb blows. No, Miss my ball blows. The committee are grow, come. And the correct, I know you will catch them. And I'm saying, that then our chance, yes, sir. Or say, no credit. So, go school sometimes, no. But you need to 20 city. What kind of credit in our actually? And I'm catching them. More, yes, I didn't fume. And it's no middle depending on to what a bay of the Musika. Chicadaho. Musika. Send a bay or Chinabino, Mamu Komo, Sikamo within bread. It may not be Pia Hano. I didn't pass on me beside said, they know this can here. Was here, our Kosukua, only that down for 4, or to be my man, no more, yes, I yellow. Into Adam for school, no, and Frank will let it be. Oh, she. Into parents and more marginal Alanoso. Both are Yamanos. Let them want
Papa. Obia Balain Tunos. Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Yes. Hello. Good morning. Peja on it, not do ready no why. Yo, do ready, you know. Okay, Yankasa. Yankasa. Okay.
Now we can say, now we can walk a lot by woody.
Okay.
Now, I thought there, we can start now. We can attend them now, obey you.
Okay.
Now, so when you finish, I'm a talk for you. I thought that the most years are a semi before, not like my bonus.
Oh.
Yes, the beginning of your name, I say, yeah, we know. Yes, I'm a friend. So you be na me friend na on person.
Bakra.
Ma. Me friend is ma. That one me cousin is sa je na ya o yen. Ya. Me friend na o if you now kamisa na o adeni ye kakalima na. O si da bi. Na be si na ya. So we be na me ya wa na say. Benny, I said, Miss Rewa, Benny, now who's room? That's the night I will. Yeah, you mean, Senator. It's in Danam, because million say,
Yatin. And the Fanombe 0531 So number in I know afraid.
Okay.
0531
0531
886
886
216
216.
I know afraid. If you program an afraid.
That's fine.
And for a last caller. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
No, we got to cry.
Yo.
I'm to a good mood.
Oh, yeah, Yankase.
Madam, I say, I do not tell me a muguso.
Amen.
No, clearly about time with my so just now I would how to say that.
Okay.
I said about time I don't need to yes, some pipe boom. And I'm be so about a week.
Okay.
My friend say that morning I did go on to be penny or how a person on it. Cut it down to na one a brown memoir, almost seen ye. The fact is here, and I'm for some. Now for some, the same of fra, or mine. Yakura also one. That thing. Boy, Pierre, who has no born some, and no one can it. It is all to be any. That's what I say about Fana and the Abbot Sabonia. Fana and the Abbot Sabonia. There are bonny Pierre out there and so don't take it. Do you have a clear about some years when the Indian say bonnet and all flat? It is done out by the cost of 100 years. Not yes, would you can say, Bofania of Sabonnet. A idea what could say me or someone who might take it. In Tiamo, what the name of Sam, infant, I didn't name of Fran. One pie, but money there, one time on back, show him the two. And yes, and control. And I can't remember our money I sell of fresh, same of that. The grandma was cool. Yes, if you are baby. And yes, and control a home of say a team free. You're running a come.
I mean, she Papa, yeah, penny. I mean, she I was for a ha and a break be my quiet near the do. When you may have more time to us so on Friday. My guys, I'm comedy. Maybe some new dink mopa. I said, Yamana make any ano. A year at the Sia Yaye. And yet, if you imagine Caneba, a yam pensem mubia Yaya Wakana. I may whom say I near quiet mamma. Na yante tum na yante waten kansia ibidi dog no kwa ibidi because Ghana hano eyana emofano ye contract omo ye investment it said ye busuani nyina no ye de yewira ahye ye bani mu say ye da ache no akra ibegyina ba ye panyinipa na sani last na ye niaba Beatrice Jumfo Williams last week no waka no it's a shared future dachi biano open kwatintin no open kwatintin a wo mabenyini no atwa ho hia you can imagine say when yam kwatintin na o ma atwa ho hia nyina apro we ye conform we say we no we just imagine say edien anika na obenya every wunyini tie ni yipa me say no present circumstance efa akora ho and a bit me actually say akwanda acheme say or you're still a developing child where Juma as a parent say you are serving the child as a steward also open say the nyamede mao no also into one bible wakasa chire wadam fofa wayem ye wayem hihye your consistent talk so when you akra no wo kasa chire no na wo kasa chire no na wo kasa chire no na wunja nkase maka wo jai enti mejai en quantity no enti said ye wadua de bi na watwen ase ebefifi dabi na burokura se wodua na efifi no wan ho a emmoa ebese no enti kan hu se wanya oba no wanya ne mu do na enti ase bi ammoa no a ye wo ye no enko ye moa na se oba no se ya you have nobody to blame than yourself mo frana eba Ghana emprempre ya eba no wenus washing there's a global chaos osuya every baby what they are fra Ghanaian values and maybe ya emfana kwemu na kwa bisuya na so osi enya hu ne media ni nyansa say we have to help our children turn around for the better we mean shira na efie bia eje dem no onyemema enkwambra ho onyame nhyira na enkura bi a wɔn tete ayɛ den no onyame mfa mepa mmerɛ onyame nhyira no ma ne da asmo hwɛ. I'll come your way some other time in the week. Until then, it's shalom, it's peace, it's life to you. Bye-bye.